In this Davinci Resolve tutorial, I will show you how to reverse a video clip. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in Resolve. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. I've already brought a clip into Resolve and I've edited it, so I won't bother playing it because it's a waste of time really, because you want to see it backwards. So there are quite a few ways you can reverse clips in Resolve, but the easiest way is come down to Edit. Make sure the clip you're reversing is selected, then right click, and then you need to select Change Clip Speed. Make sure pitch correction is selected and just place a tick next to reverse speed and then select change, and this will reverse the clip. So I'll just play this clip here. Now I find the actual clip it's got lots of lines in it when you play it back in the editor monitor, so just check that it's okay by going back into cut and then play it. That should hopefully create a reverse video. Now all you need to do is go ahead and save your video or render your video. Because at a beginner, I assume you know a bit more about Resolve than just bringing a clip into the video editor. So hopefully that's helped somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.